was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
What up, YouTube? We checking in today, and it's like what? Then 10 o'clock at night, 9:30 at night. Ain't my cup ain't back. Yes, it is on the desk. We checking in tonight, man. Friday night, March the, what is it, 11th, 12th? 11th, March 11th. We gotta go get Mama Ward, man. I drove the Cube to work. I drove the Cube to work. But now it's time to go get Mama Ward. Man, when I went to work this morning, it was decent. When I came out, I had to drive home in the Cube, and I ain't gonna lie, man, I was scared. Because the Cube ain't built for that. Y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready, baby.
The Cube ain't built for that, man. I'm finna show y'all why I had to pull Big Dog out. The alpha of the yard. I had to pull the alpha out, man. We finna, get back. Get back. You can't go.
No, we'll be back.
Let me show y'all why I had to pull the alpha out, man. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy. It can't, where it come from, Paris?
No.
Man, I had to pull the Big Dog out. We gotta go get Mama Ward from the train station, man. I wasn't finna drive that Cube or nothing else. We finna pull out what need to be pulled out. Go on your mama's side. Yeah.
I had to get rich for these problems, still with the
Same folks. Yeah. Not in the same boat, man. Yeah, no, but for real, it's serious out here. Woo.
Do you care if I get snow in your truck?
No, come on. Come on. Yeah, what it is, baby.
Oh my God.
It's just frozen water.
This is my shit. I'm glad. The truck ain't got no grip.
I need to gas up. What I'm doing?
Goddamn.
I'm gonna have to get me some gas. Some fuel.
The snow all in my shit.
Man, where I'm finna get some fuel from?
Nah, baby, you supposed to already had it together.
Nah, I'm gonna get it. I got enough to make it down there.
You sure?
Yeah.
I ain't know.
Got enough to make it down there, then I'll just get it on the way back. When I go drop her off, go to Memphis on
On charger. I took it out. Oh, well, it should be.
call it.
God, the B-Mo Kelvin. I just hit it. Oh, we got plenty of snow in your truck, baby.
That's all right.
Sorry.
Ain't number water.
Okay.
Ain't number frozen water.
You got it, baby?
Call,
just hit it.
call her phone.
Okay. Hold on, baby. Oh my God. I took it off charger. Okay, listen, Fook. I know you got on back. Oh, I got it.
In her pocket. In her pocket.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. So we finna check out as far as the camera. Because I got to drive, so
yes.
I can't hold the camera and drive.
Oh, I can't see that.
This how much gas we got. This how much fuel we got. So we got enough to get down there and get Mama Ward and get on back, man.
Are you sure?
And I'll get some. Yeah, I got over a fourth.
I ain't play with that gas.
Nah, we gonna go on. I'd rather be on time for her. I don't want her to have to wait in that lot. So we'll be back, y'all. 787 boy. And I got my crew with me tonight, man.
Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all. We'll be back. Belt squeaking. Trying to show y'all what it looking like, man. What it looking like on this road, man. I ain't gonna lie, Big Zeus walking, man. Big Zeus walking. I'm talking about like a Clydesdale. We cruising at a smooth 50. Taking our time, man. Get on down here. We on good time. Yep. So I had to show y'all what it looking like, man. I don't know what it look like on the camera to see y'all, but for us, you know, we ain't used to this type of weather, man. And I'm just hoping they didn't hit these bridges and stuff. hit these bridges with a little salt. That'll help out a whole lot. But like I was saying, man, I don't know if I said it on here or on my Instagram live. I mean, on my Instagram post I made. You know, people were laughing at me when I bought the Cube. Laughing at me, trying to ridicule me. Big dude with the little car. Why you buy that little old car and all that? Okay. And some of them same ones that were laughing ain't laughing now. You gotta go to them gas pumps. Like I always said, man, everything in my yard got its purpose. See how I went home and put that Cube up? And I gotta go downtown tonight, pick my mom up. We in Big Zeus, man, the F-250. Walking up through here, man, this light work. I'm talking about light work. So, it's all good over here, man. We were gonna come at midnight. I told wife we just gonna go in Zeus. We're gonna ride in Zeus. Midnight would have pulled through that thing too. Y'all keep it locked. 78 Chevy boy. We'll be down here to get Mama Ward in a second. Alright. This little here, man. So I jumped over this little mother and jump over in front of it. Man. Big dog dirty, man.
Big dog dirty. That's what he for, though. That's what he for. Get my whole grill froze, my tag froze. Boy, we been out here riding, boy. We got Mama Ward in that thing. Ooh, big dog dirty, man. We coming through, though. Big dog chopping that ice, chopping that snow and sludge down like it ain't nothing. Mama Ward in that thing. Where you at, Mama Ward?
Yeah, I am.
There she go. There she go, y'all.
Glad to be here, too.
Got Lil P and Boss laid on the back. Lil P knocked out, though. She right there, she knocked out. So, man, we finna see. Y'all asked me how much it costs to fill Big Zeus up. I think I'm on a 4th tank. I'm on a 4th tank. And we finna see how much it costs to fill Zeus up, man. We at Murphy's, the one on Winchester. Let's see how much the diesel is, man. It's $4.79. Diesel $4.79, man. So we finna see what's up, baby. So give me a second. We'll be right back. First thing first, we're gonna put that fuel additive in there. We're gonna add that fuel additive in there, man. Sir. Big dog, good and nasty, man. Big dog, good and nasty. We're gonna save this 10 cents a gallon, man. I got my points up, so we're gonna save the 10 cents a gallon. They're gonna take it from $4.79 to $4.69.
And when you get the discount, you can't put but 20 gallons in there. But I don't think I'm gonna take, well, for this price, I'm probably gonna take 20 gallons. For this price. It's probably gonna take 20. What's up? I'm on a 4th tank, man. We finna see my first time filling Zeus up since the gas spike. Since the fuel spike. Big dog dirty, man. Coming off a fresh watch, too. Man. Dog dirty this morning. You talking about chopping that ice down. Chopping that snow down, man. Picking up my water. Big dog, I ain't playing. Just playing with big dog. Put my water, man. I'll see what's going on. Boss lady and Lil P on the bike. Ooh! Ooh! I got YouTube back here. Got YouTube back here, man. Ooh! We'll be back. Ooh. Ooh. What is slowing down for? Trying to sound like it's slowing down. $75? Ain't bad. That's all they gonna let me get? Man, let me give a 15 gallons. Thought it said 20 gallons. All right, it must stop at $75. It must stop at $75. That man roll his forward up here. It stopped at $75, y'all. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm finna go on. I'm gonna have to put some more in there. I'm finna fill it up, man. Fill it up. Y'all ain't gonna get my receipt? There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it on up. So I guess they let you get $20 or 75 gallons. I guess they let you get 20 gallons for $75. So that was 75. We finna see. We finna see what else we can put in there. I know usually from a 4th tank it take anywhere from $60 to $65 to fill up. So I'm thinking it's probably gonna take about $100. It's gonna take about $100. No, I'll take that back. So 75 plus $11, $86. So 85 plus $12. 85 plus $12. No, 75 plus $12 is $87. Yeah, man. I had stopped the camera because I'm still on YouTube though. Y'all can check out the YouTube channel if you think I'm lying. But it took $75. Matter of fact, I can show my receipt. It won't let me come for $75 the first time. $75. That's where it stopped it. And I just put another $12 in there. So that's like $87 from a full tank. From the tank. Yep. $87, man.
Big Zeus.
YouTube. Man, the next morning. It's still out here. It's melting.
But boy. You see, man, big dog got it there last night, man. I had to go downtown and get Mama Ward. Boy, when I tell you this big sucker, man, walking up through that ice, man. Walking up through that ice, boy. Don't play with Big Zeus, man. Yeah, I'm finna prep the cube for boss lady. Prep the cube for boss lady. Y'all see how I'm rocking, man. Y'all see the shirt? Walking flyer, man. I'm a walking flyer, man. Yes, sir. So, hold on, let me set the phone. Let me set the camera up. Yeah. This side, it's straight with the sun on this side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that light work, man. Yep. Man, that snow came out of nowhere, man. I'm talking about out of nowhere, dog. I couldn't believe my eyes. But when I said Zeus walked down through there, man, on that slab, man, I'm talking about walk down through there, boy. I know the folks like, man, look at Big Dog coming through. Coming through in that joint, man. Yes, sir. Probably Mama Ward right there. Nah. It's Scooter the shooter. She's pretty much good, man. She ain't got nothing to worry about. Everything else gonna melt on. No, I just want to make sure them doors and the windows good for her. So I can go and get my day started. We can take these on back in there. Go and get my day started, man. First thing first, I gotta go ahead and cut Mama Ward hair. Go ahead and cut her hair. Then once I leave there, run by Best Buy. Then I gotta go do something, man. That's gotta be done. Ain't no way around it. I got to go do it. I'll tell y'all about it when I'm on my way over there, man. 7-8 Chevy, boy, keep it locked. YouTube. What I tell y'all, man. I done already cut Mama Ward hair. Been to Best Buy, got me a new phone case. Me and boss lady about to go out of town, man. The phone case looking kind of raggedy. On rock number them OtterBoxes, man.
But anyway, like I said, I'm going to do something that I really, I hate. I gotta do. I hate, this is the time for it, but it gotta be done. It's the only time I can do it, man. Y'all remember my OG pops? I'm about to go pay my last respects to pops, man. The funeral started at 12. It's like 11:27. I'm gonna try to dip in and dip out, man, because I really don't like going to funerals, man. But I couldn't let today pass without me paying my respects to him. So I ain't get a chance to see him, recently before he passed. When I say recently, like, I ain't seen him. I ain't put my eyes on him in a couple months. I done talked to him. I've probably been taking the truck by there and let him see Big Zeus. That's one reason I'm driving it right now. Driving it up here to the funeral home, man. So I'm gonna go in there, pay my respects, say my last few words to him, and I'm gonna get on down, man. So I'm just telling y'all, keep y'all updated on that, man, because I don't know if y'all even, cared or thought about me saying anything about it. But yeah, today is the day that they lay Pops to rest. And I'm gonna go holler at him right quick, man. 787 boy. Be back in the few. Alright. What it do, baby? Back, man. I'm up out of there. Up out of there, man. Went and paid my respects to OG, man. Had a nice my last little conversation with him. And it was nice, man. It was nice. It was nice. I had my last little conversation with Pops, man. So I know he gonna be looking down over me. You know what I'm saying? And having fun with me. You know what I'm saying? Having fun with me. Got my OG right there. Got my OG, man. So I'm probably gonna hang OG in the garage, man. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put him up in the garage. He love them cars. He love them cars. He love my cars at that. So I'm gonna put him out there. So man, Chevy boy. G. Yeah, man. So man, the Camaro done slid down in there. Yeah, I'm finna run the C's fragrances, man. I'm almost out of that. I'm almost out of that good potion, man. Me and boss lady finna go out of town. I gotta have that potion to put on, man. So I'm finna run by here, pick up this, then I gotta run back up to the shop, the barber shop. Me and Reggie finna cut each other hair. Finna get chopped so I can go on this trip shop, man, with a freshman. So I got a little time to kill, so I'm finna run up here to C's and pick up this. Yeah, man, we'll see what we can get into after I get my hair cut. Ain't nothing on the schedule, man, until later. I gotta take Paris to the over her friend's house. So we'll see how the day unfolds, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. Get ready. See, I got that flyer on, man. Walking flyer. Get ready, man. 5/15/22. One of the biggest, baddest car shows to ever hit the Mid-South, man. I ain't playing. Get ready. Yeah, man. Hit the spot, baby. See fragrances. Come to get that potion. That magic potion, man. Don't forget. One I really love is called Bond. It's the scent. Just tell them scent of peace. The unisex version. Not the man version. Get the unisex version. It's for men and women. But I wear it well. You know what I'm saying? It's Seed fragrances, man. There's a couple people hit me up, man. They order from out of town, man. Seed sent it to them. So, like I said, I don't know these people. They ain't paying me for this or nothing, man. But I've bought my oils from them. I bought cologne, perfume for Boss Lady from them. And never had a problem. They always on point. Customer service is good. Product is good. So y'all know me. I'm a big up. I'm gonna give them the ups. So let me go in here and snatch this right quick. Alright. What it do, man? Just got that chop, baby. Got that chop, man. Gotta wear the hat cocked back like the young cats, man. I ain't got no spray though. I'm showing that gray. No spray, I'm showing the gray. You hear me? I'm showing the gray. I ain't rocking no spray. No sir. Yeah, man, we finna head up here, man. The homie that owns the food truck R and Beef Dogs. He's having a grand opening today, man. He opening up his shoe store today. He's opening up his shoe store, and today's his grand opening, man. The deal was like he asked us to pull the cars out today, man. But you know it's still wet out here. It's still wet. It's a little slushy, you know, here and there, you know. So I'm not gonna pull my cars out today. I just can't do it because of the weather. Now, if you would have postponed it to another day or something, you know, a better day, I would have definitely did it. But this came out of nowhere, man. This right here came out of nowhere. Well, nobody expecting this. So I don't know if Memphis Mike, he real good friends with Memphis Mike, so Mike probably still be pulling his car out. I don't know. But I'm finna stop out here and see. Yep. So I'll keep it locked, man. The homie Brian, man, Life with the Ice. He just texted me, so let me get back with him, man. I'll be up here in a second. Alright. I gotta go up here and promote anyway. Get these flyers out, see who wants some tickets, baby. Alright. Yeah, man, I had to come around Big Zeus through this job. Come running through it, man. My quit right there. My quiz. That platinum Titan. He just got his El Camino at the paint shop. Kandyworld painted it, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Show y'all that John. I'm gonna insert it. He sent me some pictures. Cold-blooded, man. I'm finna run big dog through here, man. Let me get right. Hey, man, they talking about it. That Facebook right there. They talking about it. Let me show y'all what they talking about. They talking about that weekend, man. That's that weekend in May. On this one right here. Okay, Saturday we gonna have M-Town Riders block party at the Martin Luther King Park. That's rock event. Throwing it on the same weekend. We're doing that jump together, man, for the city. When I say we're doing it together, we're doing it on the same weekend. The block party is rock's event. Then Friday night / Saturday night, Don't Play with Memphis in May. Race show at the Memphis Motorsport, man. They say what his name? Country C supposed to be there. No dude used to be with Dunk Master. He's supposed to be there, man. That's Friday night and Saturday night. Then Sunday, the grand finale, man. The grand finale, man, is going down. I'm telling y'all, man. I've been stressing this since last year. Get them hotels, get them Airbnbs.
Man, get your affairs together, man. Get your affairs together, dog. It's about to go down, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. Connect and never compete weekend, baby. Connect and never compete weekend, man. It's about to go down. So holla at your boy. We'll be back. Alright. 7-8 Chevy boy presents the Connecting Never Competing Car Show. Going down in a major way, man. 5/15/22. Mark your calendars.
We're going up.
Everybody is invited, man. Low riders, old school, new school, lifted trucks, slingshots, motorcycles, it don't matter. It's a big reunion for the culture. Come on out, have a good time, pop your tent up, sit back, relax, network, link up. That's what it's about, man. Connect and never competing. Get ready. Mark your calendars. 5/15/22.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in my seven.